Hi everyone. Today I will discuss about the another theme of another poem. The Lake is a Love in Spree by W.B. Yeats. Whenever you will read the poem, that time you will see the comparison of life between a city and village or rural life. If you compare also that time also you will see some differences between two lives, city life and rural lives. So in this poem also the poet has seen the differences between the city life and rural life. For that he wanted her to live for the city life. Okay. uh, Read this poem, and after reading you will see that the life in the city is boring and mechanist. There is no life. On the other hand, village is peaceful and lively. All our pains and sorrows go away when we come to the natural settings of villages. We can get absolute peace and tranquility there. Thus, love for peace, happiness is expressed in this poem also. And there is no peace and happiness in city life. At first, I have discussed about the life of village life, and now I will tell about the city life. There is no peace and happiness in city life. There is hope and cry. However, absolute and happiness exist in rural life. Everyone likes to visit such a place. Thus, search for beauty and peace is expressed. So, here in this way, beauty and peace is expressed in this poem. Next I want to share another thing is that about the poet. Being tired of urban life, the poet here longs for the peace and tranquility of Innisfree, a place free from urban noise and chaos. There he will have a garden with exactly 9 bean rows. Really, the poet talks about absolute peace and where rapid industrial progress in modern society is creating hectic madness among people running after material progress, only abandoning nature. So here obviously you will get a description of the nature, and he wanted to live the city life, and he wanted to stay the close of the nature. Actually, the central theme of the above poem is peace and tranquility. So, the poem suggests that nature is the source of peace and tranquility. The speaker of the poem yearns to go to Innisfree to get peace and tranquility in the lap of nature. So he thinks that Innisfree will offer him peacefully isolation from the business city life. For that he wanted to leave the city, and he wanted to stay in a lake, and in that lake he wanted to build a house, and he wanted her to stay to close of the nature, and so that he can get peach, especially peach. Okay. Up to here, if you write this way, the theme, then it will be fine. And obviously whenever you will write the theme, then before writing the theme, don't write the memorizing thing, whatever you have memorized. You obviously you read the poem. Whenever you will read the poem, that time you will get the expression or description of poets, and it will be very easy to write. Okay, thank you everybody.